So the three pillars of Scrum, they are transparency, inspection, and adaptation. Now, for proper memory recall, you could use the acronym AIT, which is adaptation, inspection, and transparency. I use the word AIT because AIT just happens to be a popular TV station in Nigeria. So, for the Nigerian audience or Nigerian learners, AIT is a good acronym for remembering the three pillars of Scrum. Now, I want to talk about transparency. Uh, the emergent process and work must be visible to those performing the work and to those receiving the work. Those performing the work in Scrum are referred to as the development team. Those receiving the work in Scrum are the stakeholders, and the stakeholders might be the CEO, the customer, the end user, or the users themselves. Now, with Scrum, important decisions are based on the perceived state of the three formal artifacts. And these formal artifacts are the product backlog, the sprint backlog, and the increment. By the way, artifacts are values that are delivered in Scrum. All the value we deliver in Scrum are referred to as artifacts. And there can be the product backlog, there can be the sprint backlog, or there can be the increment. As we progress in this course, the Scrum artifacts will be defined. And like I said before, the Scrum artifacts are the product backlog, the sprint backlog, and the increment. Now, artifacts that have low transparency can lead to decisions that diminish value and increase risk. Transparency enables inspection. Inspection without transparency is misleading and wasteful. But there is an expression I use there and I want to explain it. Artifacts that have low transparency can lead to decisions that diminish value and increase risk. If we are trying to do what we have never done before and we are an accountable team, the best way for us to progress in the work that we do is it not to show everybody what we are doing. Say, for instance, we are trying to produce the vaccine for a disease that has never been known to mankind before. The best way to proceed is it not we, the doctors, we, the microbiologists, we, the geneticists, and we, the germinologists, is it not the best thing to do to show what we have done so far, the areas of progresses that we have made, and the glitches and the hitches we have come across or come in contact with? By this, all stakeholders, all important personnel involved can appreciate our work by giving reasonable feedback or criticizing our work in such a way that the criticism is constructive. Hence, transparency is the fundamental foundational pillar of the Scrum pillars. Every work we do, we expose it to all persons concerned. Management knows, marketing knows, engineering and research knows. Everybody, all hands on deck, everybody knows what every other person is doing. And this will enable the usability of the next pillar, which is inspection.